Previously. We'll go test it out in a second. Okay, sorry guys that I'm too dumb. Did not board the SD card, could not fly. Okay, so we did not really test out the drone when we were in the whatever beach I mentioned because the fog was really bad. And 2 days later, we are finally able to maybe make it happen and trying to take off for the first time. Let's try. So, take off. It's too loud.
I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, I really want to kick it right now for some reason.
Why?
Don't you just want to kick it?
No.
Like, I'm not gonna because it's a really expensive thing, but like if they made a toy like this, but you got the kick.
Like Harry Potter?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not too familiar with the franchise. Oh, okay, watch out.
Oh,
Watch out.
damn it. Let me just try how to land first. That's something important. Okay. I literally don't need to do anything like that. I don't really need to control it by like. Oh crap. Okay, so right now we are, I think, in the back of City Hall. Look at that. So right now we are walking down the street in San Francisco, and I think with Corona-wise, there are definitely a lot less people than usual. Like it's basically like empty. Like there are only few cars, not really that many people. There are some scooter, not scooter, what's that called, whatever that called. Yeah. Better for me. Definitely better for me. And the Apple store, I think they lose a lot of business, honestly. And wow. But no one has ever looked in. It's a adventures. The impression I have about San Francisco is like, I thought it was more like a new city with more like technology and stuff, but actually there are a lot of historical buildings. And so funny is that right now I have been to all the cities that Bruce Lee had involved with, such as Hong Kong, San Francisco, and Seattle. Hong Kong is where he was growing up, and San Francisco is where he was born, and Seattle is where he was buried at.